Okay, how are you today?
Today I'm fine, but I
I'm
don't have.
fine. Hmm.
I'm fine, yes, but I don't have electricity um, all day, and
Okay.
so, but I have power.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
A power bank or what?
no power, full power
There is
on
enough
my.
charge on your battery, so your battery will
Yeah.
last for the time of our lesson.
Yes. Yes.
Your battery, your laptop will not run out of battery. Okay, in today's lesson, we'll be talking about SSH, Bash, Nano,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe virtual environments. So it's our first lesson today. We'll start from the very beginning. Now tell me,
Okay.
what do you think SSH is? What is SSH?
Um, SSH is key.
Is a key.
Yeah, is a key.
Yeah, so
Uh,
if we want, we can SSH from one device into another. But
mhm.
we can do this only
Only if my
if these
computers
both
connect
if
with
both
one
of these okay devices okay
Wi-Fi.
are connected
Devices are connected with
to
one
the same Wi-Fi.
road Wi-Fi.
To
Yeah.
the same Wi-Fi router. Okay, I will share my screen with you and I will start
Mm-hmm.
working on my computer, on my Windows machine. I will, right now my laptop is working.
Mm-hmm.
My laptop. So my laptop and my computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi router.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, how can we simulate this?
Simulate. What does it
Simulate.
simulate?
So right now I'm using my laptop and my computer, which are both connected to my Wi-Fi router, to the same network.
Mm-hmm.
How can we simulate? What can we, if I don't want to buy a laptop to check, how do we do this? We
We
create
can
a
create
virtual what?
a virtual
A
machine
virtual
and
machine, of course, yeah.
yes.
But yes, first let's practice with my laptop, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I will share my screen with you. I will share the entire screen. You know that we can share like a browser, for example. We can share separate windows, but I will share the entire screen for you to see
Mm-hmm.
everything, and not just for you, for those people who will be watching our videos. Maybe in the future, if we are lucky, yes, if we get enough views, we will be watched by many people. Maybe not by many, but maybe like 10, 20, 30, but it's enough. Okay. Okay, right now, what do I do? Tell me what I do right now. How do I SSH into my laptop?
You must open commands prompt
Command prompt.
and
How do I do this?
window R.
Windows R. It's a combination of two keys. Windows R, right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And here I
Okay.
type CMD.
Mm-hmm.
How many command line interfaces do we have on Windows? Like most popular. Command prompt is one, and there is one more, and you were
PowerShell.
one. Huh? PowerShell, of course.
PowerShell.
Yeah, we can use command prompt or we can use PowerShell, right? So let's work in command prompt. How do I SSH into my laptop?
You must type SSH, SSH space
My username.
your
My
username
username is Alex. Then
at
what do we call this in English?
at
At. And what goes after at? So
and
my
your
username at
IP
and
address.
hmm?
Your IP address Ubuntu server
The IP address of my laptop.
for your
Yes, I
laptop.
can use my laptop as a server. Yeah, of course. This is my IP address, I think, um, of my laptop. My password, and I am
In
connected to my laptop, right?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
So one more time, how can we simulate this?
You open a PowerShell or command prompt,
No,
and
I can create a virtual machine with Oracle VirtualBox.
yes, uh, and after that, your type no SSH, yeah.
Yes, SSH, and think of this virtual machine, and we have Ubuntu desktop and Ubuntu server. What are they? What's the difference between Ubuntu desktop and Ubuntu server?
In Ubuntu server we have only uh,
Command line interface,
command line,
CLI.
yes, interface, and that's
Mhm.
all. And
So we do not see any folders. We cannot open a browser. Yes, no, just for work. Okay.
mhm.
And Ubuntu desktop. What is this?
In Ubuntu desktop, it's like
It's like Windows. It's an operating
yes, it's
system,
like
graphic
Windows.
user interface. Yeah, GUI, right?
Yes, we can work with Visual Studio, with browser, with command prompt, and another
Yeah, but
programs.
Ubuntu on Ubuntu desktop on Linux, we don't have command prompts. We have terminals, right?
It's not command, yes, terminal.
Yes. Okay. So I will. For now, we don't need my virtual machine. Now tell me, what is Linux and what is Ubuntu? What's the difference between Linux systems and Ubuntu
Linux is
operating
uh,
system?
operating system,
There are
and
many distros. Ubuntu, CentOS, they are all like,
mach-
think of them as slight variations. They are like different types of Linux systems, but they are all very, very similar to each other.
mhm,
CentOS and Ubuntu are the most popular Linux operating systems.
mhm,
They are free. And in the future, when we create a virtual machine on AWS, we can choose CentOS or Ubuntu server. Yeah, the commands are slightly different, but they are mostly the same. So there is almost no difference. Yeah. So how do I see the IP address of my laptop? So right now I am connected to my laptop. What is the operating system of my laptop here? One more time.
uh,
Ubuntu desktop.
this Ubuntu desktop, yeah.
Yes, but I don't need, yeah, I don't care if it's Ubuntu server or Ubuntu desktop, yeah, because I'm managing this from my computer, from my Windows machine, right? I don't care.
Mhm,
And this is exactly why we need to work with Ubuntu server. We need to learn how to work with Ubuntu servers, because when we create a virtual machine on AWS, for example, we don't need graphic user interface. Got it? Understand?
mhm.
Yes. How do I see the IP address of my laptop here?
You must type IP ADDR.
IP ADDR. Mm-hmm. See?
Mhm.
Now I will do the following. In my apartment, I have two
I have
routers.
two routers.
I have two
I have two
internets. I have two
internets. I have
networks.
two networks.
Do you think the IP address of my laptop will change if I connect my laptop to the other router?
Yes, maybe.
We can try.
Yeah.
So 192.168.16.017. Yeah? Remember
Mhm.
this. So right now I will change. I will connect my laptop to another router. Yes, I've done this. It's not working. See? Why do
Mhm.
you think it's not working? Because my
Because
laptop is connected to another,
router
to the other. It's not to
to
another
the
because I
other.
have just two routers. If I choose between two routers, it's one or the other. Yeah, so what do? Control C, yeah. And
Mhm.
now I need to see here my IP address. Yeah, now I
Mhm.
need to see here on my laptop. I open what? The terminal, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I need to check if my if our lesson is recorded. Is being recorded because I'm not sure. Yes, I hope that I hope that it is being recorded. Yeah. I don't hope. I'm sure. Don't worry. So now IP address. Yes, and now it's totally different. Now here I type what? SSH
Yes,
19
SSH user
Alex, my username at. So
at and
and you don't know my IP address,
yes.
of course. 192 0 0 and 19. Yeah.
Your IP
Yes.
address.
No. 1 minute. I forgot 168. Do you think it will work?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No, it will not
No.
work. Why? Because my computer, my Windows machine is connected to one router.
Uh,
So I need to
but if you
disconnect. I need to disconnect my computer, but it's my Windows machine. I cannot do this that easily because my
Mhm,
computer is connected to my router with a cable, not Wi-Fi. Understand? So
mhm,
it will not work, right? So actually, yeah, I hope you understand, right? But now,
yes.
yeah, when I connected my laptop to the other router, the IP address was different. You
Mhm,
understand? Because it's not just for you, it's for those people who will watch our videos. But don't worry, if you forget something, you can always go to my YouTube channel, DevOps6. DevOps6, the name. Do you know why I call this channel DevOps6?
No, I.
It's like sounds like physics, economics,
Mhm.
like a
Okay.
science, because it's really a science. Because DevOps engineers, and I think in the future we'll have only DevOps engineers. Now, actually, they have a different name, AI engineers.
Really, not DevOps.
Yes, AI engineers, because AI engineers need to understand everything. But
Mhm.
don't worry, we need to understand DevOps anyway. Anyway. So now I need to switch to my to the same network. Okay. And now, how do we connect? First, before we connect our SSH, before we SSH into another device, what do we need to do?
What? Repeat, please.
So I have a Windows machine
Mhm,
and I have my laptop.
mhm.
Before, if I just type SSH, Alex, at, and the IP address of my IP address, nothing will work. Why? Because first I need to install,
Machine.
I need to do this. I will show you. So here on my computer, I have a separate folder with many different commands here because there are so many commands. Yeah, and of course, we should not learn all these commands by heart. Yeah, this is why I've told you many times that programming IT is way easier than learning English, because in English we need to learn everything by heart. In programming, IT, DevOps, God forbid, Боже упаси, God forbid, we should not, and we must not learn all commands by heart. So therefore, I created this learn commands folder, and here I have folder SSH. So here, install OpenSSH, I open this, and First, we need to do this, right? On my laptop, we need to run these commands. We need to open our terminal and do this. And then we need to check, yeah, if it's installed. So I will SSH into my laptop one more time. SSH Alex 16 7 0. Yes. So now let me check if I have this installed on my laptop. See, enabled, active. It means that I have it. Yeah, because if I didn't have it, I would not be able to SSH into my laptop. So just try to remember in the future, you have two different devices, yeah, and what is firewall?
Firewall, it's like
Think of firewall as a security guard. Repeat after me. We need to think of firewall as of
we need to think.
think
We need to think.
of firewall as of a security
Firewall,
guard.
it's like a security guard.
Yeah. Okay. Q. I typed Q, quit. But now I type SSH, so I type exit. Yeah. Now it's closed. I type exit. And I'll do this one more time. SSH Alex 192.168.16.7. It always asks me for the password, right? So I always have to type the password. Why do I need to do this?
Because it's
Because I didn't create a key pair. What is key pair?
I don't know.
Key pair is like we have the private part, the private key, and the public key. What do you remember about the private key and the public key?
It's like in GitHub or what?
Yes. When we create, yes, if we want to add our device to GitHub, we need to put our public key. This is what we have. This is what we call a key pair. I will show you what this is. So right now, all the time, I need to type the password to SSH. Yeah. But I can do it like this. I type Windows R, I open command prompt, and here is my Windows, yeah? It's command prompt. Dir, what is dir?
It's like you can see all your files.
Everything, all my folders
everything.
or files inside this directory, yeah? See, SSH. So how can I see, okay, let's cd into SSH. Dir. Do you see ID ED25519? It's a private part. Remember, never show to anybody what this file contains. Never. It's a very, very, very serious security breach. Yeah? Only public. Understand?
No, yes.
So, and now we can create the key pair. So if I want to SSH into my laptop without typing the password of my Ubuntu desktop on the laptop all the time, yeah, I need to add this public part to my laptop, understand?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Let's try. How do we see the contents of this thing on Windows?
Yeah.
We type and ID ed
ID.
sorry, id, yeah, ed 25 5 19, right? id with this one, d 25 5 19 pop, enter. See,
Oh, yes.
it's my Gmail. It's not very good that people will see my Gmail because I might get a lot of spam, but only if I become super popular. But don't worry, we won't become super popular. So Control C, right? And I go here, and this is, so here's my Windows, right? And this command prompt, I am inside my laptop, right? So what do we do? How do we see the contents on Ubuntu, on Linux? On Windows, it's dir, but on Ubuntu systems, on Linux system, it's ls.
LS, yes.
ls, right? ls. Do you see SSH somewhere? You don't, because it's a secret folder. It's a hidden folder. So we need to do it like this. LA. So now it should be here somewhere. Do you see? Oh, yeah. See? SSH.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I cd SSH. Ah, but I'm here already. Ah, sorry, it's Windows, right? Here. So cd SSH ls. Do you see this? So just like on Windows, here I also have a key pair. So I need to add the public key of my Windows to this file, authorized keys. And if I add the public key of my Windows machine to this folder, then I will not have to type the password all the time when I try to SSH. Now please repeat after me in English. Why do we need to add the public
Why do
key?
we need to add the public
Yeah,
key?
why do we need to do this?
Um, if I want to connect, yeah,
If I want to SSH, or okay, if I want to connect to my laptop from my computer
yes,
without typing the password,
yes,
I need to add
I need to add public
my
key.
Windows public key inside this folder. Yeah,
Yes.
let's try to do this. By default, on Linux systems, we have a very good thing. I think it's called a text editor. What is it?
Nano.
Nano authorized keys, right? See? What do I do now? I copied my the public key of my Windows, and now we put it here, right?
Yes.
How do we save on how do we save in Nano?
Control O,
Control
enter.
O, and then
Control.
we enter, right? Enter, and then Control X
Control X.
to exit. We can try now. Do you think now if I exit, if I SSH now, do you think it will ask me for the password?
Maybe no.
Let's check. Let's check. SSH Alex 16. No. 16 7. Why is that? Why is that? It shouldn't be doing this. Okay, something's wrong. Let's go. Let's do it one more time. Let's go SSH cd SSH ls nano authorized.
Because you have mistake.
Yes,
Create
I
another
created another
file.
file. You should have told me. Why didn't you tell me that?
I don't see it.
Yeah, so I created another file and I put it in the wrong file. Yeah.
Yes.
So one more time, what do we do?
Control O, enter,
Control
Control
O,
X.
enter to save, Control X to exit. Now let's check. Nano authorized keys. Yes, now it's here. And now let's type exit. SSH
Yeah.
Alex 192.168.16.7. See? Without asking the
Mm-hmm.
password. Now they are connected. Now tell me about GitHub. Why do we need to add our public key to GitHub?
If
So we can pull and push. So we can push, right, the code to GitHub from that device. Yeah? We can SSH, yeah. Don't worry, it's just our first lesson today. We have a very, very long way to go. So we have 3 lessons a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So it means that we'll be posting 3 lessons a week, right? For everybody to see. Now, what do we do next? What do we do next? Let's create a virtual, now share your screen with me. And you will try to do the same. But instead of a laptop, you will open what? I need to give you permission 1 minute.
virtual
I need to give you permission, yes. Okay, now you can share your screen with me.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, we can, your server, your Ubuntu server is broken. Let's work in Nasta in this like Ubuntu desktop because I hate your Ubuntu server. Okay. Yeah, launch it. How do you launch it?
What is launch? Launched.
Launch this machine. Yes, Ubuntu desktop, right? Is it your Ubuntu desktop?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Let's wait.
Master.
And we'll do the same here. We will try to SSH from your Windows machine, yeah, to your Ubuntu, into your Ubuntu machine. And I think that by October or by November, you'll be a wonderful specialist. Your potential employers will see these videos and they will immediately understand that you understand a lot of things. Think of this as a public key to success. To your success.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
here.
now SSH, open a terminal and see the IP address. No. We SSH from your Windows machine, right? Here you need to see the IP address. No, you are doing everything right. Yeah, we need to see if you want to SSH from your Windows. Yeah, you need to go to your Ubuntu machine and see and type IP address, IP, ADDR, to see the IP address.
In Ubuntu?
Of course. Mm-hmm. Where's your IP address here?
192 and
Yes,
168.
yes, 192. It's different. No, no, no. We SSH not here, right? So
Ah,
think of this as your laptop.
mm-hmm.
Go to your
Okay,
Windows.
understand.
Yeah. So tell the viewers. So this is the command prompt on your Windows machine, right?
Mm-hmm. SSH,
Yeah, SSH.
SSH,
The
oh,
server Nastya, right? I
master.
think yes.
But I have,
Type. Who am I? Yes, Nastya. See, Nastya before at. Yeah, Nastya. Yes, at
змаленької,
at. It doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe it matters, but here is lowercase. Okay.
так, 192, mm, 31, and
Yes. Type yes.
yes. Wait, yes.
No, no, yes. Hmm. The password. Don't say your
Mm-hmm.
password. You know your password. So we are in.
Yes.
But you had to type the password, right? How do we see if we have your OpenSSH here? Type cd, type la here, la. Mm-hmm. Do you
Okay,
see SSH here folder?
yes.
Yeah, cd into this folder, ls. Yes, we have a key pair. So ed, see, we have, so one more time, what is the key pair? It's two files. What are these files? Tell me.
Public and
Show them, show
private.
them. Highlight these two files.
No, this private and this
Yes,
public.
it's what we call the key pair. Now you
Yes.
understand.
And now I open
No, you need to go
public.
to your Windows machine and
Ah,
find the public key there. It's not, it's what is it? Windows.
it's
It's Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
You need Windows.
Okay.
You need to open another command prompt. Mm-hmm. Type dir because on Windows it's not ls, it's dir. Do we have SSH? Go inside SSH, cd, and now it's Windows. Mm-hmm. Dir is not, it's Windows. Yeah, we have them. So no, it's type. This is how we enter folders, but we need to enter a file. We can use Sublime Text. Do you remember that we added Sublime Text to path?
Yes, but
We can use Sublime Text, or you can just type. Remember, on Ubuntu it's catalog, I think, cat. But on Windows it's type. If you don't want to use any text editors, you can just type, type.
like this.
Yes, space. And don't type, please don't type your, be careful, because I will have to remove this. Nobody should see your private key. It's only pub.
Okay.
Be careful. No, ID. Be careful. 25519 dot pub. Yes. What is it here? You made a mistake. Do you see the
Why?
mistake? You put,
Yes.
yes, underscore. Copy this
Mhm.
line. How do we copy? Control
Control C.
Control C. Go to another command. No. Why here? It's Ubuntu
It's
desktop.
oi.
Forget about it. Yeah, we can do. Yes, we can. We can do this. But yeah, why? Yeah, here. ls. No. ls. No. How do you enter inside authorized keys? You need to put it inside authorized keys.
Nano?
Nano. Yes.
Nano.
Authorized. Mistake. Authorized keys. Enter. Control
Yes.
V. What do we do now?
Control O.
Control O. Then enter to save and exit Control X.
Yes.
Type exit here. Exit here.
Oi.
Okay,
Yes.
no, first let's make sure that it's there. Let's do it one more time. Nano authorized keys, and let's do that. Let's make sure that is there. Убедиться, make sure. Authorized keys. Yes, is here. Control X to exit Nano. And now we exit and SSH one more time.
SSH там sudo, yes.
No, SSH, Nasta, your username at Sabaka at the IP address. What's your IP address there?
Like this.
Yeah, 31.137. Yes. See?
Oh, yes, it's good.
It doesn't ask you for the password. Yeah? Now we need to work with Linux. We need to understand how to work with Linux, how to create a folder, how to remove a folder, how to remove a file. So let's do this. I think that a lot of people know, people who will be watching our videos, if they watch our videos, yeah, I think they will understand how to work with Windows, yeah. But here we need to learn also how to work with Linux operating systems, because very few people know how to do this, yeah, because people mostly use Mac OS or Windows, yeah. But real IT specialists, like real professionals, they work with Linux operating systems. Why? Why do you think?
Because it's more simple with
It's simpler, yeah.
programming.
And all servers usually run, like all websites, everything works on Linux machines. Yeah. Forget about your Ubuntu desktop. Forget about it.
Okay.
We don't need it. Yeah. Just think of this. Just think of you have like a laptop somewhere in your separate room, and you are not allowed to go there. Or think of this as a virtual machine that we have on AWS. So you will not have graphic user interface there. Yeah. So here, what do we do now? How do we create a folder?
Okay,
So right now we are managing our laptop. Let's think of this virtual machine as your laptop, for example, yeah, which runs on Ubuntu. So we SSH'd and we are managing it from Windows, from your Windows machine. Let's create. How do we see one more time the contents of the folder on operating systems, Linux operating systems? ls.
ls.
Yes. Let's create a folder here and let's call this folder Django projects, because in the future we'll be working with Django project, because our website will be built with Django. What is Django, by the way? Tell me what Django is. It's a wonderful backend what?
It's a language programming.
It's like Python. It's a backend framework.
Okay, framework.
Django is a wonderful backend framework, because why is it backend? Because it interacts with the database. We'll be working with two types of databases. What? What are they?
Um,
Postgres and MySQL.
Reference scale, yes.
Yes, we will primarily be focusing on Postgres.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll be doing this in our next lessons. Let's create a folder here and let's call this folder Django projects.
MKDOR, yeah.
mkdir, yes.
Um, Repeat please how to
Django
Django.
projects underscore projects.
Maybe we have.
Yes, enter ls to see. By the way, on Ubuntu, dir also works. Yeah, you can type dir.
No, okay.
Yeah, and it works, but it's white, it's not blue for some reason. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, how do we remove this folder?
Remove.
Type rm dir. Yeah, mkdir, it's make directory. Yeah, and rm
Mm-hmm.
stands for remove directory, and the
Oh,
name of our Django project that we need, of this folder that we need to remove.
Django projects.
Mm-hmm. ls one more time to make sure that it's not there. Do you see this?
No.
Because we removed it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What is bash?
I don't know.
Bash is a scripting language. We can do this by writing a script.
I don't understand now.
We can write, for example, in the future, you can write a script. This is what DevOps engineers do. In that script, they do first create the folder, then do that, then push it to GitHub. Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
it will save you a lot of time because all you have to
Mm-hmm.
do is to run the script. Understand?
Ah,
So
yes.
now let's create a very, very, very simple script. For that, we need to type nano. What is nano one more time? It's a text editor. Yeah,
That's editor.
yeah, by default. Yeah, nano. And what do we call this? Mm, the extension of bash files are sh. So we can call it test. No. Test uh, dot and sh. No, sh, not ssh, sh. Yeah, enter. See? Maybe we have this already.
I
Delete
don't
this,
remember.
delete this. But why do we have it here? Delete everything here. Yes. And now let's write a script. So to write a script here, to show that it's a bash file, we need to type hash.
No,
Hash.
hash.
What is hash? No. It's a symbol hash. It's do you see
Uh,
three?
yeah.
Shift 3.
Ah,
Yeah, hash. Exclamation mark. Знак оклику. Exclamation mark. Forward slash.
forward slash.
It's backslash.
Oh my god.
Bin.
Bin
Forward slash one more time.
slash.
And bash. I hope. I hope we are doing everything right. No, bash. 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 To show that it's bash file. Enter.
As is. What is
Enter.
it? This hash?
It's hash.
Oh, okay.
Hash
Hash
bash.
bash.
Yeah. Don't worry. I will put this video on my YouTube channel and you will see everything one more time
Okay.
for yourself. Here, let's create a folder. Yeah, let's type a script. mkdir.
Okay, John.
And let's create any folder. Nastya, or not Nastya. My folder, for example. Yeah. What do we do now? We save.
Control O. Enter control. And that's all.
Control O. Enter, Control X, yeah?
Okay.
Now, what do we need to do? We need to run this file. For this, we need to type bash and the name of the file that we created with nano.
My folder.
No, my folder, no.
What?
My folder is a folder that we created. The name of test sh, right?
Ah, boy.
ls to see if the folder was created. Do you see this anywhere?
Yes, my folder.
See, my folder. Now let's
Yeah.
create another script. Let's and we can do this in the same file, or we can create a new file. Let's do this in the same file.
What?
Nano.
Nano.
Mm-hmm. Our bash file test.sh, right?
SSH.
Yes. And now remove my folder. Replace mkdir by rmdir. How do you save?
Control O, Enter, Control X.
Yes. And now let's run this script.
Uh, how? Run,
Bash.
ah, bash test, yeah.
Bash test
Test page.
sh. Let's see if we have this folder here. Do we have it?
No.
Because we deleted this folder, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So, and this is what we'll be doing in our future lessons.
Mm-hmm.
So what is bash one more time? What is bash scripting? What is this?
Bash, it's it's like scree.
A script is a short program script,
Yes.
very short program. It can save us a lot of time. For example, yeah, these they can be very long or they can be short, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's work with Python a bit. Let's work with Python. Let's create a virtual environment. Why do we need virtual environments? Just for our future viewers, we'll be working with Python, Postgres, MySQL, Ubuntu system, Ubuntu operating system. Will be working with everything. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
and of course we need to understand what virtual environments are. What are they? Why do we need them?
Virtual environments. My God. Uh, we read about this. Yes.
Okay,
In the
type
last
pip
class.
freeze. Type pip freeze. Freeze. Enter.
Yes.
Yes, enter. Install Python 3 pip. Sudo. What is sudo? Sudo means
Sudo
super user do.
super
Yes.
user do. Yes.
Apt, yeah,
Sudo
apt is like a package, installation package. Install Python 3 pip 0. Oh, sorry, okay. Y, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, and see, this virtual machine is normal.
Mm-hmm.
This is why it's working.
That's broken.
Yes, and now let's do this one more time. Yeah, pip freeze.
Please.
Why? What's wrong? Do it one more time. Failed fetch Ubuntu. I think it's failed, yeah? No, no. No, no, let's install Python 3 pip one more time.
Oh, okay. Would to install
Mm,
Python 3 pip.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, fails.
Okay.
See, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Okay, then
Mhm.
we can create a virtual environment first. Let's create a folder here one more time. Let's uh, let's do it with bash. Yeah, we can do it like this, or no, open in nano test.sh. Yes, and let's create a folder Django projects. We can do this. No, delete rmdir my folder, and instead type mkdir my projects. Or Django projects maybe. Let's
It's
call it
okay. My
let's call it Django projects.
my Django projects.
Okay, Control O. Yeah. And
Okay.
here, let's go inside this folder, my Django project.
Bash. Yeah.
CD. No, how do we go inside folders? CD,
Talk city.
my Django projects.
Django. My Django projects.
hmm Enter. Maybe you did something wrong. Okay, ls. Do we have this, my Django projects here? Was it created?
No.
Then you did something
Why?
wrong. Let's do it one more time. Yeah. Nano test sh. Okay, there, my Django projects. It should work. Okay, there. Strange. Okay,
Hmm.
Control O one more time. Control O. ls. Okay, let's create it right here. mkdir without this, without something. Just a Django project. That's all. Django projects. cd into this folder.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Django projects. Yes, and now let's create maybe, but we need to install pip. Without pip, it's I think, but let's try. I will tell you what to do. I forgot how to create virtual environment. I forgot this. I knew it by heart. Type Python 3. I don't see what you're typing.
Why?
Yes, M, no,
Hyphen M.
hyphen M, yeah, a space,
Mm-hmm.
a venv, v, virtual environment. And now we can give any name to a virtual environment, any name. For example, let it be Nastya, or maybe, I don't know, my venv, just any folder, yeah. No, not lowercase. Yeah, my venv, my virtual environment. Enter. And now ls. Yeah, see, my venv. And now
Yeah.
go inside my venv. is our virtual environment. Yes, enter ls one more time to see. Do you see the folder bin? Go inside bin. ls. Do you see activate? So
Mm-hmm.
this is what you need to type. Activate. Yeah, if you want to, we need to remember that we always need to work inside virtual environments to avoid conflicts. Because imagine,
Mm-hmm.
like we have a lot of projects, Python projects, yeah, and it will be a hell. Everything will be mixed up, yeah, and therefore we need to create work in separate virtual environments. So you need to type source activate, источник, source activate. See, do you
Moment.
see my venv?
Mm-hmm.
And this is how we activated our virtual environment. Yeah, but I can't understand why pip doesn't work. And for that, of course, yeah, during our future lessons, we'll be interacting with AI because everybody is using AI and it's part of DevOps as well. Yeah. So
Okay.
DevOps need to work how to need to know how to work with AI. We'll be
Mm-hmm.
in the future we'll be working with GitHub Copilot. Yeah. We have, like I said, we have a long way to go. Yeah, but I
Okay.
promise that in October it's May. Yeah, so we have June, July, August, September, October, November. You'll be a wonderful specialist, and you'll be applying for a position of a DevOps engineer because you will show your potential employers all these videos, and they, oh my God, you've posted 100 videos. Of course, you know everything, yes, and every video, each video will have a name, yes, and you will tell them, I know everything. So what else do you need? Yeah, I've done this. How? This is the best possible proof. Yeah, that I can do this. Yeah,
Yes.
congratulations,
So,
congratulations, because just trust me. It's what I told you. Yeah, trust me, everything will be just super okay. Now tell me what we've done today.
okay. Today we create. No, today we connect my
We
laptop.
connected. Why do you make? Why do you keep on
Connect.
making this mistake? It's past. You connected, created,
Yes, we connected my Ubuntu server with my Windows.
or we
We
SSH'd, yeah, into your Ubuntu
yes,
server.
with SSH,
Mhm.
and uh, we
What is the key pair? Why do we need it?
compare it's my private key and
Hmm.
public key. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, and
we must not show the contents of our private
private
key.
key. Yes,
Mm.
and we copy my public key
You copied
on
your public key
Windows.
in the authorized Windows, yeah, the public key
Yes,
of your Windows machine.
on
We
my
put it in the
Windows machine
authorized
and put in
file.
Ubuntu
Yes.
machine.
Hmm.
Uh, it's we do this.
We did this maybe or do.
We did yes, we did this for
So we
when
can
you
SSH without typing the password all the time. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
And after that
Past simple. Past simple. Прошедшее
we
простое.
did
Past simple. Okay. We did what?
Шмыргаю.
What is bash?
Uh,
What is bash?
yes, bash. Bash, it's like script. We create
We
a
created.
bash.
Hmm.
We created a bash folder,
We
and
create a bash file.
a bash file. Yeah, sorry. Um, and after that, we oh,
We typed hash exclamation mark forward slash
be
bin forward slash bash to show that it's a bash
yes,
file. Yeah, and then we created a folder mkdir. Yeah, then we control O Then we enter, then we press
Control
enter,
X.
Control X, yeah, and
Yes.
then we ran that bash file, how we typed bash,
Mm-hmm.
and the name of our file, it was test.sh,
Yes.
right? And when we
Mm-hmm.
ran that file, the folder was created. Yeah.
Yes.
And then we remove that folder. Yes, this is, so today
Yes.
we learned how to work with bash, and it's a
Mm-hmm.
great step. And also we created a virtual environment, yeah?
Yeah.
But we had one problem, we couldn't install pip for some reason. No, yeah, but we'll fix this. In the future
Okay.
lessons, we'll be using AI, so
Mm-hmm.
there is nothing wrong in using AI because everybody does this. Of course, we'll try not to use AI because it's for our lessons are made for educational purposes. Okay, thank you very much. See you on
Yes.
Friday. Thank you. Bye.
Yes. Thank you for the lesson. Bye.